In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF formula in Microsoft Excel. COUNTIF is one of those functions that instantly makes a worksheet more useful. It answers a simple question: how many cells in a range meet a condition you care about? Maybe you want to count how many orders are marked shipped, how many scores are above 80, or how many names match a specific value. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, set up a small, tidy data structure in Excel. Put your headers in the first row and keep each column consistent. For example, a product column with names, a status column with values like pending or complete, or a numbers column with actual numbers instead of text. Clean, consistent data makes COUNTIF work reliably. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This keeps your results separate from your source data and makes your sheet easier to read and share. Now start the formula by typing Excel COUNTIF. Excel will show you the argument hint so you know what comes next. First the range, then the criteria. Select the range you want to evaluate by dragging across the cells or clicking the column area you're interested in. Be deliberate here. If you only need rows 2 through 200, select exactly that range rather than an entire column. If you plan to copy this formula down or across, consider locking the range with absolute references so it doesn't shift. For example, turning B2 B200 into B2 $200. Type a comma to move to the criteria, then enter the condition inside double quotes. For text, it could be complete or Apple. For numbers with a comparison, include the operator inside the quotes like 80 or L100. If you're counting exact numbers, you can simply use 80. You can also use wildcards for partial matches, an asterisk for any sequence of characters like API, or a question mark for a single character like Joe N. If your criterion already lives in a cell, you can reference that cell instead of typing it directly, which makes updates easier. Finish the formula by closing the parenthesis and pressing enter. You'll see the count immediately. A quick example looks like it COUNTIF $2, $200 complete to count completed statuses, or EL COUNTIFs $2, $200 ELs to count scores above 80. Remember, COUNTIF is not case sensitive and it matches text exactly unless you use wildcards. That's it. With a clean range, a clear criterion, and a quick close and enter, you've turned a question into an answer. Try it on your own data and watch your insights come together.